Hello, today I'm going to show you this Forster T699 EB motorhome. So it's a basic Fiat Ducato style motorhome in the 7-meter class. So it's 7 meters long, or 699 to be specific, and it's also 295 high, 235 wide. This thing is going to cost just under 70,000 euros. What's it look like inside? Well, the first thing I'm going to say, it's a Forster, so it's going to be bright inside, and that's where this brand really stands out. I think the use of this green color in the logo and the lighting, I think it's meant to be something young and trendy. I don't know if the people who buy them are young and trendy, so I mean that would be the likes of me, for example. But anyway, what do you think? 2 windows either side, relatively large windows, no storage along the walls, but there is storage at the back, and there is the corners have been wasted, never mind about that, and there's 2 lights below for reading lights. What does stand out for me here is the way it all looks, though. It's really bright inside, even though it's quite dark outside in the halls. I'll just actually show you this. We've got storage down there, and there's storage on the other side, or half of the other side anyway. So because there we've got the boiler as well as the switch for letting the what you call the frost switch, so you can drain your vehicle. Here, step up to the bed with storage in. So we'll bring this thing here out. Will it go any further? I think it would go a bit further. I think it's broken, which is why it's not wanting to go any further than that. So I'll push that thing here to the back. One of these is actually probably bigger than the other one, and so the bed, there you go, something along. I've put the mattresses in. That one here should have been there, and vice versa. But anyway, that's what the bed looks like. Absolutely enormous bed. Quite nice. And here we've got a privacy curtain. This side we've got the fridge. Here 2 burners. We've got a sink there. Storage down here, which this comes out. Here this will open. Oh, that's a really nice little storage. It's original as well, that kitchen block. Look in here. That's a very nice looking you may say, what's the point of putting this sink here? I would agree with that statement, actually. From a geographical point of view, it seems a bit bizarre, but hey, it's here, and you've got a big sink. Could do with a larger drainage, but you can't have everything, I suppose. I've got to say, that's a rather nice looking unit. Now, Forster is a bit, I suppose, rough and ready. There's a duckboard for it as well. Not rough and ready. It's ready to go. That's a better way of putting it. It's a basic Fiat Ducato campervan, but it does the job, and. You know, 70,000 euros. It's I know 70 is a fortune, but it's at the cheaper end of the cost. So I think this is really a very nice looking vehicle. So why should you buy if you like the style, like the way things are laid out? Bear in mind that much of the technology in here, the fridge, the toilet, the boiler, it's the same as what you'll get in vehicles which cost 5 times as much. So from that point of view, it's probably okay. Let's have a look in the back here. Very big garage. No thrills garage, but it's a big one. But it does have, here's something thrilling. It has a electric point. It's got a light. It's got a ladder for the bed that was inside. Don't know if I mentioned that. I think I did, man. No, I didn't mention it. I'll go back and mention it. So you see, you've got the drop-down bed up there, and I think that's a manual bed. I won't demonstrate it because I'd rather have 2 hands available to do that with. bin in the door, keep the dog's lead in there. There's the mirror, not the mirror, the window. Gas cupboard there. And reversing camera. Superb. Absolutely superb. Truma exhaust. There's your water. Really, really nice. Okay, it's basic, but it does the job. And surely that's what it's all about. Thanks for watching. Or do you want to see it in another style? Oh, all right. Here we go. Well, here's another one. This is the HB version. Same sort of thing. So this here is the same. Say 7 meters long, double bed, widthwise bed at the back. All right. So that's the bed up there. Very bright in here as well. And that's the widthwise bed here at the back. You know what? I prefer this one. You get through the storage through there. Got some storage here. Nice big wardrobe. And in here we'll find the washroom. Somewhat similar. No, it's not entirely similar, is it? It's got the sink there in its proper place. We do have a bar in the shower as well, so you can get your socks clean. You know what? Of the two, I prefer this one by far. Hey, should we see if this is working? Can I see? Is it working? Ah, see, this one's electric. I'm not getting anything in the way of anything, am I? Oh, sorry. Right, that's it, because it's now in the way of the chairs. So, the double bed up here. And there we have the nets to stop you falling out of bed. Yeah, quite nice. I'll put it back up again. Is this any bigger? Same size, I think. No, it isn't. It is bigger. It is bigger. And guess what? We can put the bed up in here as well. Oh wow! This one here's got everything. Should we see the bed go up? I think it's. That's at its maximum size. No, it's not. It's going up. It's going up. There we are. It's on its way up. Oh wow, this is very good. Right, so that's now its maximum height. We'll go back inside and have a look. See what that's done. It's plenty of room in there. Oh yeah, no problem on that one. I think that's very good. It's not really a basic van, is it? It's got the works. Anyway, that's a different size. I'll have a look at that in a different video. I think that's it for the 7 meters. I thought there was a third one somewhere, but maybe there isn't. There you go. That's the 7 meter basic Fiat Ducato camper van from Forster. I don't even think it's basic. Thanks for watching.